Drill Bits Marking by Laser Marking Systems. This month, GCC Laser Pro Application Lab is introducing the perfect solution by using our model H230 for metal marking. Along with the integrated Galvo system and a 600 by 400 mm working table, Laser Pro H230 enables you to minimize time-consuming loading and unloading workflow to mark with high throughput. Place the fixture on the platform and keep it in place using screws. Place the drill bits on the fixture. Press autofocus to automatically set the focal distance. Open the G-Mark graphic and select the tiling function. Set the band size and select Split Layer function. Press the Exec button under G-Mark to start marking. The Galvo system on the H230 enables high-speed marking. The 600 by 400 mm work area further enables users to load a full tray of working pieces to be marked at once, eliminating the extra loading and unloading time, which is the common practice for machines with a small working area. The H230's unique split by layer function enables users to mark relatively close working pieces at the same time to increase productivity by minimizing the repositioning of the Galvo head. Sample is complete. For more information, please visit us at www.gccworld.com.